Do you ever feel like life is happening to you? Back when I was working a job, this is probably 2011, I couldn't help this nagging feeling that life was happening to me, that I was in a circle, a pattern, a daily pattern. I'd wake up every day, eat breakfast, spend an hour driving to work for 12 hours, and just do this huge routine. And it ate away at my soul. The fact of the matter is, you can design your life. You can design your life to be whatever you want it to be.
I quit my job in 2012. Now, I was super scared. Let me just put it that way. I was super scared, and I would have put it off indefinitely. But since I've quit my job, in 2015, my company hit my first seven-figure year. I made roughly $1 million profit.
Where do you see yourself? What do you see of yourself? And how clear can you have a vision for yourself? And a lot of people think they're subject to their circumstances. That's called victim mentality. Now, if you go through life with victim mentality, oh, my boss, he's an a-hole, he's not paying me enough. I was born in the wrong country, there aren't any opportunities for people in me in my, my country. Whatever it is, that's gonna stifle you. Until you get rid of that, you're not going to achieve the sort of success you want to achieve. But you have to want it bad. You have to have a sense of urgency to your life. You have to sit on the edge of your seat. You have to be running to reach your goals, because otherwise you're not going to get there. Now you have to ask yourself, you want to be in a good relationship, you want to own a house, you want to build a business, you want to have a better body, whatever it is. Are you walking to your goals? Are you doing a little bit of research online late at night? Are you reading a book every 3 to 6 months? Are you going to the gym every couple weeks? Now, if you are, you're walking through life, you're walking to your goal, and you're never gonna get there. This is a reality check. I would work like a freaking banshee. I would work routinely till 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm crazy, and I would never stop. But you gotta run to your goals. I'm obsessive about studying billionaires and studying people who are successful. And one thing they all have in common is urgency. They're out there, they're doing things, and they have a sense of urgency to their entire life. The amount of success you're going to achieve in your life is in direct proportion to the amount of uncertainty you're comfortable dealing with. One thing that people do when they're depressed, which I did, was I locked myself away. I didn't associate with friends or other people. I just stayed, in my shitty little apartment, and I didn't hang out with people. And I locked myself, and I didn't grow as fast as I could have if I had really gotten out there, really started associating with people. If you feel like life is happening to you, you have to do something. You have to make a change. You have to make a change. And the way change starts is start getting yourself outside of your own head. Depression oftentimes is overthinking, right? Overthinking. It's one of the biggest problems. Start associating yourself. Start interacting with people. Just say hello. And so the more you start interacting with people, the more you're going to get yourself out of your funk and stop letting life happen to you.